السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معكم أيهم من قناة أيهم جيمر. اليوم نازل دريم سوكر 2020. أنا معني مش منوب، يعني أنا بلعب فيها، بس كان نزلت فيديو طلع صوت اللعبة واضح أكثر من
So we're off. Which way will this game go? Striker's ball. He's unstoppable. Not a good tackle at all. Great chance here then. Will he shoot? And he's forced the goalkeeper into an excellent save. That's good link-up play. Shoots! Oh, pick that one out. Rocketed into the top corner. And here's the build-up to that great goal. And we're back underway, but how will this team respond? The attacker is in possession. Now, this could be costly. Good ball. That's nicely played. Good catch by the goalkeeper. He did well to win the ball back. Good ball.
مين بتشجعوا؟ اكتبوا بالتعليقات مين بتشجعوا انتم؟ بالنسبة لي برشلونة، يعني عارف انه خسرنا من ريال مدريد 2-0.
He clears the ball to safety. Finds his teammate.
امشي يلا كثير.
He must score. Well worked goal. Great finish. Fantastic work from the goal scorer and his team. A much deserved goal. The players have finished celebrating and we're back underway. Won the ball. They've won the ball back again. What a well-timed tackle.
شكرا على السبع المشتركين دول اللي اشتركوا.
Striker's ball. This player is taking on the opposition. Has a crack. Good effort there. The replay will give us a closer look. And he stayed onside. Surely now. Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. Well, let's take another look at that. Goals are flying in here, and he'll be chuffed with adding another. Passed inside. Perfectly executed. Passed inside. We're into time added on now. They've taken it down the wing, and the fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time. They've got a chance just to regroup now. Oh, great first half. Let's hope for more of the... They've made just one change for the second half. Let's get underway then with the second half. Oh, well intercepted. Good ball. Optimistic effort. That's well wide. No cards yet from the referee. The keeper passes it straight to his player. Confident pass. Well read. Striker's ball. The striker picks it up. He's found an opening. It's a safe piece of goalkeeping. He chooses to throw this one out. That's nicely played. Williams. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Distributes the play. That's a dangerous area to lose the ball. The goalkeeper eases the pressure. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. Great chance here, and pace. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray. And the referee gets the game going again. Finds his teammate. They've got the lead, but to keep it, they're still going to need to have their composure. Oh, they're in cruise control now. The game is surely just the keeper to beat, and this player's on form. 3 of the best for him. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. The players are eager to get the game going again.
عملوا ريمونتادا لبرشلونة كيف
He failed to connect with that. That's a bit cynical really. It's going to be a free kick. The fourth official has indicated 6 minutes of stoppage time. Oh, so close. The replay will give us a closer look. They're winning, but they're still going for more goals.
تمشي سريع مشكلة. يلا
It's with the striker. A few minutes of stoppage time to play then. Back to the defender.
6 دقايق. يوم 6
Oh, and dispossessed there. Passed out wide then. Shoots. A bit more composure to get that shot on target. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray. The keeper hits the goal kick long. That's the final whistle. Great display of attacking football today.
إن شاء الله.